Welcome to our first ever unboxing on our channel. Here's the Amazon Prime package. Let's get started with the unboxing of the Rode VideoMic Go. Well, as you see, Amazon have packed the memory card in the same package. Here's the product. Let's put the package aside and start with the unboxing of the main product itself. It's a compact and simple packaging by Rode. Here's the box. Let's open it. It has the cable, manual, and the mic itself. Let's see what's written on the box. It has integrated Ricot layer suspension and requires no battery. On registration, you will receive 2 years warranty from the manufacturer, and it's light in weight, best suited for the vlogging. I see a gold-plated 3.5mm male-to-male jack, which is stretchable. Here's the manual or the quick start guide. A silica pack is provided to keep the moisture away from the mic when it is not in use. A closer look of the product. And as you see, there is a 3.5mm female port on the back. The mic has the Rode branding on the windshield, which cancels the wind blast while recording. This can even be replaced with a dead cat for better noise cancellation. As you see, it's easy to mount this particular mic on a DSLR because it has a horseshoe mount inbuilt. Now we are connecting the mic and the DSLR with the cable that was provided in the box. Have a complete look of the Rode VideoMic Pro mounted on the Canon 60D. The integrated Ricot layer shock mount isolates your microphone from bumps and vibrations that could otherwise interfere with your sound. Stay tuned for the in-depth review of the product and many such products very soon. Please do like, comment and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you.